Surprise kittens. We're in the middle of our stroll through the woods.
Oh my goodness,
And we come
baby.
across your kitties.
We can't leave them here. She would do.
She's not gonna do anything.
4 little kittens. Oh my goodness. Are there any more?
Well, looks like we made some new friends. These two are going down. What are you doing? Come here.
This way, come here.
They're gonna fall.
Come here.
Come here. Come here.
No, you make sure
Come
that
here,
they come.
kitties. Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna step on you, buddy.
You got 3?
Let's go. Come on. Well, nice afternoon stroll on a Sunday through the woods turned into a kitten rescue. We're walking and I heard meow. I heard these little guys, and all of a sudden they come running towards us out of the woods. And here we got 4 little brothers. I don't know if they're females or whatever, but they're nasty. They're emaciated. They can feel all their bones. They're hungry. So we're gonna take them home and feed them and figure out something to do with them. They are exhausted.
Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Getting some close-ups. You guys are hungry, huh?
Oh, I need like a
You just
something.
get some out
I
with your fingers.
wanna
Just grab some out.
mush it.
Use
Here.
that.
Here. Try that. Right there. No. Look. Right there. Oh, heck. Baby. That's what they know. Soft.
Oh, they really care at this point.
Look. Oh, get all the fleas out of here.
See in your belly. Oh yeah, you got looks like pee all in there. Clean it out, nice and good.